Hi guys, welcome to AR Booklet. Today we have seen the number series random numbers. So random numbers is nothing but we have to create the random numbers in the interval between what you have to given the starting and stopping point. So here we have using the many functions, that is random, randian, randint. We have to the many functions to create the random numbers. Random, rand is two variables. We have to create a uniform distribution, that is in 0 to 1, that is in 0 to less than 1. It's not including the 1. We have to create the intervals random numbers between 0 to 1. Rand n is nothing but there is a standard distribution functions in the mathematical. We have to create the 0 to 1. Here also generate the random numbers. So rand int is nothing but create the random numbers between the intervals using the data type is an integer. Next we have see the arrange function. So now using the Colab, you have using the Colab online Python compiler. First import the number series. So import number as np. Then we have to using the I have to create an random numbers. So I have using the random array equal to np dot random dot random. So here you have to given the size. So 5 random numbers I want. Okay, in the interval between the 0 to 1. So here you have using the 0 to 1 interval, create 5 random numbers. Suppose you want to using the row and column wise random numbers. I want to give the 3 rows and 4 columns. I want to create in the random integers, so it is easily to create. Other than that, you have using the rand also simply you have in the using in the same one. There's not a much difference between random and rand. It is a similar one. You have using any one, random or rand. So here I have to using one is a syntax different. Here you have using the tuples in the brackets. Then you have using the rows and column value. Here you have to given single braces. You have given in the I have to not put the rand. Then you want to print as a rand underscore array. So here 4 rows 5 columns that create a random integers. Then we have using rand underscore standard using np dot random dot randian. So this is random distribution. You can give the 3 random integers. So random, there is a standard. So 3 random integers given. Here we have its access the negative value also. This is the random distribution. So again one more function is a random integer. Okay. So I have to create the random integer np dot random dot randint. So randint is nothing but you have to give in the intervals between them. So I have to given the interval 1 to 56. Suppose any number of values I am not giving means it access the one value. So it is taken as a one random integer from the interval between 1 to 56. Suppose you want to 5 random integer in the interval between 1 to 56 means you have to given the comma and 5. So here we have said 33 is a single integer. If you want not to declare anything means it declare the one integer as takes as the default one. So I have to given the 5. So in the interval 1 to 56 it will create the 5 random integers, 41, 37, 30 and then 35 and then 19. So next one, so this is the random functions. Another one function is an arrange. Arrange is nothing but it is an create the random numbers between the given value and then increasing by your what is the step is nothing but it's the same distance between each point is the start and stop value. Okay, start is in default takes us in 0. Suppose you want to introduce anything in the start value means takes us the 0. Stop is a compulsory variable. Step is also optional because default step value is in 1. D type you want to given means what is the stop, that is an integer means integer. Suppose you want to give the floating value means you have specified D type equal to float. Okay, so now we see, suppose I have to given random range, so np dot arrange. So arrange I have to given the value is an 10. So 10 is nothing but 10 random integers you want to create, 10 values you want to create. So here it takes us the 0 to 9. So because default value is 0, default step size is also 1. Okay, so now you print random underscore range 0 to 9 values it taken. Okay, so 0 to 9. Suppose you want to give is an okay 10 to 100, you want to increase by 9. Okay, 9 or 10 whatever values you want to. So 10 is a starting point, 100 is an ending point, is a default. Each interval between 9 is a carryover. Okay, so given 10, 19, 28. So here is a step size, you want to increase the distance between each point. So this is all the num by random function creator. Then we have to next assign some other functions in the num by series. So num by series is keep going. Okay, keep learning and keep learning. Thank you guys.